screen is yours.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Mokhirjon Arabboev. I worked at Tashkent University of Information Technologies, named after Muhammad Al-Khwarizmi in Uzbekistan. Our paper entitled Analysis of Datasets Created to Assess the Risk of Developing Gestational Diabetes Mellitus. We know in recent years the number of people with diabetes has been increasing worldwide, and diabetes is one of the most common diseases among the population. There are common types of diabetes such as type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. We know gestational diabetes mellitus, shortly GDM, poses significant health risks to both mothers and infants, and making its early detection and effective management crucial for maternal and fetal well-being. As the prevalence of GDM continues to rise globally, there is a growing need for robust predictive models to identify women at risk. Key to developing such models is availability and analysis of high quality data sets specifically tailored for assessing GDM risk factors. Uh, our contributions of this survey are summarized as follows. Our contributions. First one is research conducted on creating a dataset for GDM across geographic regions is presented. Second one is we present a comprehensive review of research on creating a dataset for assessing the risk of GDM. This review covers the algorithms or models used, datasets used or created, and results achieved. Third one is the dependence of the number of data in the dataset on the accuracy of the model is critically analyzed. In this figure, you can see a Prisma method. In this paper, we used Prisma method for article review and selection process. In preparation for this review paper between January and February 2024, Google Scholar, PubMed, Science Direct, and IEEE Explore databases were searched for articles with keywords gestational, diabetes mellitus, dataset, and artificial intelligence. Overall, 2,557 articles were found as a result of the search, of which 15 papers met specific inclusion. In this slide, you can see scope of the research to create a dataset for gestational diabetes worldwide, based on our studies, based on studies analyzed in this review paper. In this table, you can see analysis of datasets created for gestational diabetes mellitus. You can see different in different countries. Research is conducted for developing datasets for GDM. For example, in Spain, Basque Health Service Hospital, in India, St. Isabel Hospital, and so on. In this figure, you can see data collected from the female patients in the studies. This figure depicts the datasets developed in analyzed studies. If we compare the number of participants in the developed datasets with each other, the 5 with highest quantities belong to reference 8, reference 16, reference 18, reference 21, and reference 9, respectively. Reference 15, reference 10, reference 20, reference 7, and reference 14 was the 5 lowest quantities on the number of participants in the developed datasets according to the analyzed studies in this review paper. In this slide, you can see a list of studies evaluating the prediction of gestational diabetes mellitus by machine learning models. You can see different type of machine learning models used in the analyzed studies. For example, different decision tree, support vector machine, KNN, logistic regression, XGBoost, and so on. In this slide, you can see a comparison of analyzed studies based on accuracy evaluation metrics. It can be seen from figure 4 that in almost all of the analyzed articles, results were obtained based on an accuracy evaluation metric. If we compare the results on accuracy with each other, reference 10 had the highest result and reference 8 had the lowest result. The results of 11 and reference 19 are close to each other. Also, results of reference 10 and reference 14 are close to each other. In conclusion, based on the results of our analysis, the following will be conclusions. First one is having a large amount of data in a dataset always does not necessarily lead to increased accuracy in machine learning models. It is important to note that although having more data can be beneficial, it is not the only factor that contributes to the model accuracy. In addition to the dataset, choosing right prediction models is an important factor in improving model accuracy. Large amounts of irrelevant or noisy data can mislead the model. Data cleaning and future engineering are crucial for the effective utilization of large datasets. In our future work, we plan to create a dataset of women in Uzbekistan with gestational diabetes using the expertise gained from studies, leading scientists' remarkable results during the preparation of this review paper. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much for your presentation.